નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 7th subject English grammar lesson number 27 question tag. Students, as you remember that in our previous standard 6th and 5th, we studied about question tag. What is a question tag? You have to remember all the things what we learned in our previous class. Question tag. Why we put question tag at the end of assertive or declarative sentence? Can you know this? So today we have to study about question tag in lesson number 27. So let's start our study about question tag. How we have to form the question tag and what is the use of question tag. We have to understand all the things. Many times at the end of a declarative or assertive sentence, a question is added to emphasize its meaning. Many times at the end of declarative or assertive sentences, both types of sentences, declarative as well as non-assertive sentences, we put a little question to emphasize its meaning, to stress on the meaning. We add a little question at the end of the assertive or declarative sentence. It is known as a question tag. This question is not in the form of a complete sentence, but just a repetition of the verb used in the declaration. It is not a new sentence added to the end. It is a little bit sentence. We have to take the words from the declarative or assertive sentences. उसमें से ही हमें words use करने होते हैं. उसमें से हम we have to carry the verb from that sentence. Okay, understand? Just repetition of the verb used in a declaration. It is a one type of repetition of verb. It is verb is used in a declarative or assertive sentence. That verb we have to repeat at the end of the sentence, and we have to form a little question. It is known as a question tag. This half question form is called a question tag. This half question form is called as a question tag. उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Question tag बोलते हैं. It is used to ask somebody's permission, ask somebody's agreement with us. Little bit question is there, and answer of that little bit question is also short, yes or no form. Okay, can you understand? It is asked to agree with us. Anybody else to agree with us. Main purpose for that question tag is there. Can you understand, friend? So here two example I write. We have to understand by the example how we form question tag and which type of rules we have to keep in mind while we are forming the question tag. Okay, so let's start our study. First of all, one example is given here. You will listen to me. I do not put here full stop. Actually, whenever you see in your examination that full stop mark is there. You will listen to me. You will listen to me. Now we have to add question tag after that first sentence. You will listen to me. Now what we have to do? In our simple language we studied in our earlier standard. Same way I teach you here. See here. You will listen to me. First of all, you have to find out the helping verb from that sentence. Which is helping verb? Can you identify from that sentence? Yes, will is helping verb here. So we require helping verb will here. Now second point you have to remember. If sentence is given in a positive form, then we have to convert it into negative. If sentence is given in negative form, then we have to convert question tag into positive form. Vice versa we have to do. Here sentence is given in positive form. Here sentence is given in a positive. So question tag will become negative form. Understand, student? Now next thing, always ऑलवेज क्वेश्चन टैग हैव 2 वर्ड्स ओनली. 2 ही शब्द हम वहां पे रख सकते हैं. वी कैन नॉट पुट 3 और मोर देन 3 वर्ड्स. ओनली 2 वर्ड्स वी हैव टू यूज. हमें 2 ही शब्द यूज करना है. तीसरा शब्द वैलिड नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, you have to put question tag at the last of the sentence. At that time, what we have to do? First of all, you have to write whole the sentence, declarative or assertive sentence. So I have to write, you will listen to me. After that, compulsory you have to put comma. Here you have to put compulsory comma. Comma must be required, otherwise your sentence will be wrong. You have to put compulsory comma here. After that, you have to form. If sentence is given in positive, then we have to do negative question tag. If sentence is in negative form, then question tag become a positive form. Here sentence is given in a positive sense, so we have to convert it into negative form. So it's become a will not. But if we put here will not, 2 words over. Here we require pronoun compulsory. Here we require pronoun also. Nouns, pronoun we have to put here. So it's become a 3 word. So at that time we have to do helping verb plus not short form required here. Short form of helping verb and not required here. So now what's happened? We not short form, can you know? 1. What we have to write here? 1. I put here will not short form as a 1 word. Here 1 word completed. After that, we have to put subject's pronoun here. Here pronoun already given. But if any name or any other things is place name is given, at that time we have to decide the pronoun for that noun and noun. वो noun के लिए हमें pronoun compulsory वहां पे लिखना है. Here pronoun is given here you. So I put here 1 you. 1 you. So will not you. After that, completing both words, you have to put question mark sign compulsory. Question mark sign must be there, otherwise your sentence also wrong. Can you understand? It is all are known as a question tag. इससे क्या बोलते हैं हम? Question tag बोलते हैं. Understand the rules of question tag? First of all, you have to write full sentence. After that full sentence, you have to put comma. You have to, if sentence is given in a positive, then you have to convert question tag into negative. If sentence is given in negative form, then you have to convert question tag into positive. Here sentence is positive, so I write here 1 as a negative form. Then we have to put pronoun you here and last question mark sign. Understand, student? It is a one type of repetition for us. We already studied about it in our lower classes. Want you. Understand? Now second sentence we have to understand. I have finished my work. I have finished my work. Sentence which is a helping verb here. Have is given here. Sentence is in positive or a negative form? Sentence is given in a positive form. I have finished my work. So first thing what we have to do? First we have to write whole sentence as the answer. I have finished my work. After that you have to put compulsory comma here. Then sentence is positive, so question tag become here negative. So what's happened? Have not short form we have to put here. So it's become a heaven. Heaven. Then pronoun we have to put. Pronoun is given here I. Heaven I. Then question mark compulsory. So it is the question tag. Can you understand then about question tag? Okay, we already studied about it in our lower classes. I think you remember all the things which I teach you, I taught you in your 6th standard and 5th standard. Understand student how happened? Very easy thing, but you have to keep in mind here 2 words. Only 2 words you can put, not more than 2. हम यहाँ 2 से ज्यादा शब्द रख नहीं सकते. Compulsory we have to put 2 words. One sentence, one example we see. with negative statement. See here. I am not going to the park today. Okay, don't require today. Just I am not going to the park. I write here one example here to your understanding. See, I am not going to the park. We have one sentence is given here. We have to convert it into question text sentence. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to write whole sentence as an answer. I am not going to the park. After park, we have to put compulsory comma here. Compulsory comma here. Then next thing we have to say, which is the helping verb here, and is the helping verb is given here. But sentence is in a negative form. So we have to convert it into positive form. Our question tag will become positive here. Am not is given here. So here what we have to write here? We have to write only am. We have to write only am. After that we have to put pronoun here. Pronoun is I is given here, and at last question mark sign compulsory we have to put. So now it converted into question tag form. Can you understand, student, how it's happened? Very easy thing in my opinion. Okay? Understand now? Here our teaching points related to question tag over. Now based on that, we have to do little exercise. Now student, based upon our learning about question tag, we have to do one exercise. Exercise A. Exercise A's heading is given here. Rewrite the following sentences adding appropriate question text. Rewrite the following sentences adding appropriate question text. So open your grammar textbooks with page number 88, exercise A. Question sentences I see from the textbook and I complete answers here on the board. You have to complete all the answers as I written on the board. Okay. Now first sentence is given here. You are late. First sentence is given here. You are late. You are late. This sentence is given here. You are late. Now we have to add question tag here. Now we have to add question tag here. Now what's happened? First of all, see. First things we have to write the sentence here. You are late. After that we have to put compulsory comma here. Compulsory comma here. Then sentence is given in a positive sense. You are late. So now it's a become like that. We have to do negative form, are not, short form. Aren't, then you. Question mark sign. So now it converted into in question tag form. You are late, comma, aren't you. It's a finalized answer for you. Complete the answers in your grammar textbook as I written. पूरा आंसर आपको लिखना है. Second sentence. Now sentence second we have to understand. Second sentence is given here. I will never book. I will never book a room. Book a room in that hotel. In that hotel. So here one sentence is given here. I will never book a room in that hotel. Now what you have to write? You have to complete till here all the sentence. After that you have to put comma. Sentence is given in positive or negative sense. It is given in negative sense because never is used here. Never means negative form. So we have to do positive questions and then question tag here. So what we have to put here? We have to put will, then pronoun I. So it complete. Okay. Third sentence. Can you understand, student? Third sentence. The beach is deserted today. The beach is deserted today. Here one sentence is given here. The beach is deserted today. Now after that you have to put comma compulsory. The beach is deserted today. Then see, sentence is given in positive sense. Is deserted today. So we have to put negative question tag here. So what we have to do is not short form we have to write here. Isn't. Then next thing we have to put compulsory pronoun here. The beach is given here. The beach pronoun can you know? The beach means non-living things. So what we have to put here is. It we have to put. The beach is a non-living thing. As a pronoun we have to put it here. Isn't, then it and question mark sign. So it now completed. Now fourth sentence we have to see. Sentence number 4. Sentence number 4. Be silent for a while, please. Be silent. Be silent for a while. For a while. Please be silent for a while. Please, like that given here. So after that, here you have to write. After that you have to put comma once again. Then see the be silent for a while. Here sentence is given in a positive sense. Positive sense is given here. So we have to put negative form. Here helping verb is not there. So what we have to put here? One will. It is talking about future time. So one will not short form we have to put here. One. Then whom is talking? You. Want you. It's a question tag for your sentence. Now sentence number 5 we have to see. Sentence number 5 is given here. It is just a harmless little sparrow. It is just a harmless little sparrow. Little sparrow. So now what we have to put here? After full writing of sentence, then we have to put comma. It is just. Sentence is given in positive or negative sense. Here sentence is given in a positive sense. So we have to convert it into negative. Is already given. So what we have to put here? Isn't. Then pronoun it is given here. Isn't it? Then question mark sign. Understand student? Now sentence number 6 we have to see. Sentence number 6 is given here. This bunny is a cute one. This bunny is a cute one. Okay student, this bunny is a cute one. So you have to write here then comma. Now see the sentence is in a positive sense or negative sense. Sentence is given in a positive sense. This bunny is a cute one. So we have to put negative form of helping verb. So what we have to put here? Isn't. Then this bunny is it. We have to put pronoun it here and it become our question. Now sentence number 7 we have to understand. Sentence number 7. Pollution is increasing day by day. Pollution is increasing day by day. So now what we have to write here? Pollution is increasing day by day. Till here you have to write then comma you have to put pollution is increasing. Here sentence is given in positive sense. See, pollution is increasing day by day. So what we have to put here? We have to put here negative question tag isn't. Then pollution considered as a non-living thing. So we have to put it as a pronoun. So it should become pollution is increasing day by day, isn't it? Okay, understand student? Here our 7 sentence over. You have to complete all the answers as I written on the board. मैंने जैसे लिखे यहाँ पे पूरा आंसर मैंने लिखा है वैसे ही आपको लिखना है. ये पूरा आंसर कंसिडर होता है. सिर्फ इतना लिखो इनकम्प्लीट आंसर, वो आंसर इनकम्प्लीट बोला जाता है. You have to write full sentence same way as I written on the board. यही correct answer है. Sentence number 8 we have to see. Sentence number 8 is given in your textbook. All of us must strive towards perfection. Sentence number 8. All of us must strive towards perfection. Here one sentence is given here. All of us must strive towards perfection. So you have to write P here. After that you have to put comma. Then see sentence is positive sense or negative sense. Sentence is given in a positive sense because must is the helping verb here. So what we have to do? We have to write here must negative form. Mustn't. What happened is mustn't. Then all of us. We are talking about all of us. All of us. Us means we. As a pronoun we have to add we here. So it should become like that. All of us must strive towards perfection. Mustn't we? Now sentence number 9 we have to see. It wouldn't be discovery if we knew what we were about to discover. It wouldn't be a discover. Discovery is that discovery. If we knew what we were about to discover. Till here everybody have to write. It wouldn't be a discovery if we knew what we were about to discover. After that you have to put comma here compulsory and then we have to add question. Here sentence is given in a negative, so we have to put positive question tag here. So wouldn't is given here, so what we have to write here? Would. I write here all downside, okay? Would. Then pronoun it is given here, so it should become like that. Would it? Understand then? Now 10th number sentence. A heavy object has fallen on his head. Here one sentence given. A heavy object has fallen on his head. After that you have to put comma. Then we have to think about it. Sentence is given in a positive sense. Has is given here. So what we have to put here? Has negative form. Hasn't. Then pronoun we have to put. A heavy object. Object means it. So what we have to put here? Hasn't it. Understand student? So here our 10 sentences over. You have to complete all the answers as I written on the board. मैंने जैसे आंसर लिखा है वैसे ही आपको कंप्लीट करना है. Then with that our exercise A over here. Remaining exercise we have to see in our next video.
Thank you for joining us.